What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, I wanted to talk to you about this company called Bar Sidar is how I'm gonna say the name. Now, we touched on them before, and I want to touch on them again because your girl got another wig, okay? So this wig that we're going to review is a headband wig, and I can't wait to get started. So let's go over the details that come in the box without showing you the unit yet. You get this two-sided comb. You also get the headband, baby. And of course, the headband is attached to the wig as well. But they give you a nice, cute, colorful one just in case you don't have one, honey. I'm loving that. And then it also comes with a netting cap. Cool, cool. And we also have a book right here showing you details, how to take care of the hair, and stuff of that nature. Instructions on how to style your wig and all that good jazz, honey. Let's see the wig. Y'all, this is the color that I got. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm loving the fact that she comes with black roots and gradually goes down to this nice ash blonde. And hopefully you guys can tell that just by looking. Y'all, I got the most makeshift Jimmy setup going on this phone recording, if y'all knew. So this is what she's looking like, and I'm absolutely here for it. Look at this color. Oh my gosh. And the curl pattern, this is just gonna be fire. So she does have her headband. So let's go ahead and put her on, baby. Enough talking. Let's see what we got going on here. So she does have two combs on the inside right here. So that's for the top of the head, temple areas. And then she does have one comb in the back. And she also has the big head, small head friendly clasps like we always talk about. So let's go ahead and get her on, honey. I am ecstatic. I know she's gonna look good. You know what? Definitely played myself. Let me put a wig cap on first. Let me get this wig cap. All right, so let's get that on. So in the back, I just have my hair pinned up. I didn't braid it down, but I did straighten my hair as straight as I could get it with a flat iron. All right, take two. Getting this wig on. Here we go. Well, I do like the fact that she is snug, honey. She's looking pretty already. I didn't even get her on all the way, y'all. Baby, she's gonna be so pretty. I'm trying to get these combs in place. So I just put a cap so hopefully it won't slide off. Because normally I don't. But we're gonna work with what we got right now. So let's push her back some. And since my hair is straight, it's easier to push back. So you could just use the headband that's attached to the unit. And then all you do in the back is you wrap this around like so in the back, and it has a Velcro strapping right there. So let's do that. All right, baby, we got her in. She is looking cute. I hope I got her on straight. But she is looking really cute, y'all. Hold on, let me make sure I got the combs in the back. Child, it's the fact that I can't stand up to do this is really what's getting to your girl. So while we get this unit together, I'll just talk to y'all. So over the holiday, your girl broke her leg, yes. And so that is why it took me a while to come see you guys and everything. But I definitely wanted to come on here and show you so many things. And I just haven't had a chance, but I'm gonna try my best to get up and show you guys the unit. All right, so this is what she's looking like. So she comes ever so long. I'm really here for this. I really do like this hair. It's very, very soft to touch. And it's the color for me. I really do like that. Oh my gosh. So she comes past the boob, and I feel like that's a good look. So she is 26 inches long. Once again, like I said, this is a headband unit. And if this is something that you're interested in, I hope I did a really good job of demonstrating what she would look like, honey, because I love it. So of course you could do half up, half down. This is perfect for the gym and stuff of that nature. I can't quite see what's going on in the back of my head. So I definitely want to try to style her because I've styled other ones before, but I don't have a scrunchie right offhand. But this is what she would be looking like if you did want to style her half up, half down. Child, I wish I had a mirror. But we got to work with what we got sometimes, honey. All right, so let me fiddle with her. But how cute is that? How cute is that, honey? Get yourself a tight scrunchie. Oh yeah, she's cute, cute. So this is just with the regular headband. So let's go ahead and put her on with the headband that they gave us. All right. So this is a cute, fun, playful headband scarf. I like that. Oh, it comes like so. So that's really neat. I really do like that. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to get this on. Yep, perfect. All right, so it'll make a knot once you put it together. And then this will be the back, of course, because this is where the seam is at. So we'll just go ahead and put her on top, like so. Pull it down over your neck, get the hair through, and then we will pull this up, honey. Cover that black bandana, because a lot of people seem to think that, you know, when you see that black band, you're like, oh, it's a half wig, honey. Yeah, that's a half wig, because you see that black band. But it just calls for convenience of, like, you know, going out with it and having a headband already attached. So I love that feature, and I really don't care if it's black. And if someone says that's a headband wig, well, honey, my hair is not really this color, but it is today, baby. Okay, so she is absolutely gorgeous. I am here for it. I am loving it. And like I said, she's super long and I really love it. What do y'all think? Y'all gonna have to comment down below. I feel like I didn't get the combs in the back all the way. No, I sure didn't, but she is so cute, y'all. Look at this. Let me see if I can turn around and show you what she's looking like. Just give me a second. All right, we're making videos with crutches, honey. So this is what she's looking like in the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Super long, very classy, elegant. I love it. This is definitely a throw on your head type wig and go, is how I feel. And I really do like it. So I hope you like it too, guys. All right, and it has been real. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this Amazon wig review. And I will see you in my next one. Until next time, guys. Bye.